For this video, we will practice about trigonometric equation. The question 1. So for 0 to 2 pi for each question in this one. Question A, sine x equal to 1. So the first step, I need to figure out what is the angle have the sine equal to 1. You can, using your calculator, shift sine of 1 and then you will got 90 degrees. But for this question, you have using gradient. It means you will have for this question will be 90 degrees. No, pi over 2. And the first one is pi over 2 and the second one, this is one of the special angles, special sine. For this case, you will have only one solution, pi over 2 plus 2 pi times k for this question. And the interval of x only from 0 to 2 pi. And this means you only have the one possible value for k. K equal to 0 is mean x equal to pi over 2 here. Question B, another special case of sine and cos. For cos x equal to 0, so shift cos of 0, you have one more pi over 2. But for this question, you have a two position of sine equal to 0. You have the unit circle in this form. Here is cos and here is sine. And sine h equal to cos h equal to 0. Cos h equal to 0, you mean you have for this question, for this point and another point here. This means you got h equal to pi over 2 and plus is not 2 pi anymore. You have two solutions. One of them will be pi over 2 and another one is minus pi over 2. The number here is pi over 2 and minus pi over 2. This means you will have here is pi times k. Because from here you add one more pi, you become to this point and one more pi is come back to the first point. It means you can use this equation for solving this question. And you will have two solutions. The first one you got x equal to 2 over pi, because when k equal to 0, you got this here and this angle belonging to this interval. And the next one you will got pi over 2 plus pi times 1. In the second case, it means k equal to 1 like here. K equal to 1 like here, and here you got 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. Yeah, so for the question B, you got two solutions. Check this out a little bit. You get here is this one and another one will be here. Question C, you got tan h equal to minus 1. Tan h equal to minus 1 is mean the other angle have to be pi over 4. And the formula when you want to solve tan's equation is h equal to pi over 4 plus pi times k like this. And I need to make the table, the value of h and the value of k. The first is value of h, here is k and here is h. So because you have the value of h here is more than 0, so I only try the positive integer. K will become to 0, so you got the value of h is pi over 4. And the second one you got k equal to 1, it means you got 5 pi over 4 like here. And then when you got k equal to 2, it have to be more than 2 pi. So more than 2 pi is cannot be the answer for this question. Yeah, so 1 over 4 plus 2 is will be 9 over 4, 9 pi over 4. But this one is beyond the interval of h in the question, so this cannot be the right answer. Pi over 4 is less than 2 pi, so this one is the right answer. And the second one, 5 pi over 4, yes, it is also be the right answer. And the question C, you got two solutions, pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Question D, so what is the equation here? You using the new function is cosec x. Cosec is mean 1 over sine x, and the other side will be 2 over square root of 3 by this one. I will rearrange it a little bit. I take the reciprocal of left hand side, you got sine x, and you take reciprocal of right hand side, you got square root of 3 over 2. And then I will using the inverse function, you will got here is sine of 60 degree is mean pi over 3. And I will use two formula of sine equation. The first one is pi over 3 plus 2 pi times k. And the second one I will using another supplementary, right? 2 pi times k like this one. And then I will try some value of k. Because the interval of h only greater than 0 and less than 2 pi, it means h only equal to pi over 3 for this case, corresponding to k equal to 0. And the second one, you got h equal to 2 pi over 3, corresponding k equal to 0 also. If k equal to 1 or 2 or 3, the total value of h will be greater than 2 pi, so it cannot be the right answer. Question D, you only have two solutions, pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. Question E, sec. Sec is mean 1 over cos. So when you got 1 over cos equal to negative 2, I will take reciprocal of both sides, and it become to cos h in left hand side and minus 1 over 2 in the right hand side. And the number cos h will be shift cos minus 1 over 2, you got 2 pi over 3. This is 2 pi over 3. And for the formula of cos, the first formula is 2 pi over 3. And the second one is minus 2 pi over 3. And 2 pi k in this position. The next one will be here. And for this, you will have the value of h is 2 pi over 3. And the next one, you will got, cannot be k equal to 0. For the first one, k equal to 0. But for the second equation here, if you got k equal to 0, this value becomes to negative value. So it cannot be the right answer. I will try k equal to 1. K equal to 1 is 2 minus 2 over 3. You will got 4 pi over 3. This means k equal to 1 for this case. And if you got k equal to 2 or k equal to 3, the total value of h in this equation will be greater than 2 pi. So that is bigger than this interval, cannot be the right answer. So question E, we finished.